how to use Shein coupon codes and discounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of Shein by using coupon codes, discounts and other saving tricks so you spend less and still get what you want. Let's get started. Open up your Shein app, and then right there in your home page you'll be able to see coupons. Go ahead and tap on it. So new users often get a welcome or first order discount just by signing up, and you can also get discounts via app exclusive promo codes or vouchers, influencer or referral codes shared on social media, and seasonal sales or special events like Black Friday. So now once the coupon opens up, just tap on shop and then browse and add all the clothing items, accessories, and everything that you want to. You just need to tap on it and then you can add to cart. So all the discounts will apply, and then once a cart is ready, you can go to the cart and then apply for checkout. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.